Wow!
Kuha agad yung kay Colin.
Wala si Colin, ano eh. Bitawan niya ka.
Ako.
Nagtakaw mo, mami.
Muna ako kanina. Okay po, the next dance naman po is monkey dance or sayaw po ng unggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild and no other animal can match the skill of monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Once again po, the monkey dance or sayaw po ng unggoy. The last dance is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding standing arises between two tribes, I usually send their young men to the actual battlefield. But before that, first perform this dance to ask guidance from our God called Apo na Malyari to lead them to be a victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. Once again po, the war dance or sayaw po ng pagbabayani. Kape pa. Okay po, that's the end of humble presentation from our brother.